All right, guys, we got Amiad self-cleaning, fully automatic screen filtration here. This is our mini Sigma filter. It is a 2, 3, and 4-inch variations. The thing flushes based on pressure differential. We're reading pressure all the time with our filter flush controller right here. Reading 2 pressure sensors. We're looking for the inlet pressure and the outlet pressure. Anytime we see a pressure difference of 7 pounds or greater, we know that our screen filter is starting to gum up and we need to clean it. And so all this flush controller does is it opens and closes a solenoid over here. This solenoid is in the normally open position, which creates pressure on our piston at all times and keeps the flush valve closed on the Mini Sigma, this flushing chamber here. When we close that solenoid, water drains out the flush elbow, and the way we've engineered the flow path is all of that water wants to escape out the flush elbow through these red suction scanner nozzles. That goes through the suction scanner, out through the turbine, which creates a spitting motion, and then out through the elbow. 10-second flush time, discharges 6.5 gallons on the 2-inch and 7.5 gallons on the 3 and the 4-inch. The smart functionality comes from the ADIP controller. It is always reading the pressure sensors going in, and all it takes is 4 AA batteries, and there's 2 terminal blocks on it. You can control multiple filters or have a downstream pressure sustaining valve on it. And when you log into this, it is logging every time it flushes and why. And that can give you some really good clues of insights to what's going on with the hydraulics of your whole system, not just the filter. It flushes 1 of 4 ways. We talked about the pressure difference. That's the primary way. The most common way it's going to flush is based on PD, pressure differential. The second way is just manually. You come up and click the button, and it will go through a flush cycle. The third way is frost protection. We actually know that water starts to crystallize at 39.2 degrees. And so in order to keep the piston working good, the flush valve working good, we just tell it, hey, do an automatic flush and let's go. And then if none of those have happened over a 4-hour window, we go what we call it a time flush. It's just going to flush based on that 4-hour window. All of these settings are things you can adjust within the controller. It's the ADI BLE app. It connects to your smartphone, your Android, or iOS device. You can go through the ADI X platform. It's a bigger controller, but if you need remote monitoring, we offer remote monitoring, whereas this ADIP is a Bluetooth connection.